Shivoham, had came down to Kedarnath in his last days and finally disassembled his body here at Kedarnath. So this is a place where people have got spirituality. This is a place where people have found divinity, and finally people have been liberated. Now, liberation does not mean that you reach materialistically a different state. In fact, moksha in Vedanta or in Vedas means that you have gained knowledge, knowledge of who you are, knowledge of what everything around you is, and knowledge of how to be Him. And when I say Him, it is how to become Lord, how to become Shiva, how to realize that divinity which exists within you, which exists in every living thing. So this place has got immense importance, and when I see the beautiful hills and the beautiful clouds here, it makes me feel that I should absolutely stay here and not go back at all, but mundane work is also important. So I do plan to visit this place once again in my lifetime, but I suggest that all of you should visit this place once at least, because when you come here, you'll you'll have a an absolutely different experience, an experience which cannot be described in words, which can only be understood by the soul. Right now I'm going to rush because I'm going to pray that the chopper takes off, because just have a look at the clouds. Can you see the clouds behind me? Yeah. So these are the clouds which are stopping us from taking off from Kedarnath at this point, and we seriously pray that the clouds clear out and our chopper takes off, because the next destination is Kashi Vishwanath. Kashi Vishwanath has its own story. It is known as Panchakoshi, and it is believed that the whole city stands on the Trishula of Shiva. Now, is that is that a myth or is that a fact? We're going to talk about this in the next video. Till then, you people take care. Keep praying for me that I don't feel very cold, and keep praying for all the animals and all the birds and all that is beautiful and the entire universe. Be happy, be spiritual, love yourself, love everyone around you. Har Har Mahadev.